a boy, a very
Hello, Doctor.
strange
I am here for our date.
boy.
Isaac, you're dressed.
They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye.
Isaac,
But
you are the
very
most honest man I know.
Was he? And then one day,
Have dinner.
a
Very well,
magic
Doctor.
day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many
See,
things,
what looks good?
You.
I'm sorry.
You look good.
Well, thank you.
You look good enough to eat.
What are you talking about?
I have a very important inquiry for you.
What is it?
Never learn is just to love
Will you marry me?
and be loved in return.
Some women shut their eyes and dream. Others open their eyes and hope. Dreams are what you create for yourself. Hope lets the universe decide for you. I'm glad that I opened my eyes. You have touched me in a way that no human ever could.
The great
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
you'll ever learn
God, I love you.
is just to love.
Thought I understood all there was to know, but I never even scratched the surface.
And be